See, it's a long time since we've seen each other, and it's very exciting because you stink lovely.
Thanks.
I love the smell that you smell.
Oh, that's good.
It's really nice. Where did you get it?
I don't know. I don't know where it's come from.
Oh, it smells delicious.
I'm glad I smell nice. I don't think it's anything. Maybe you just, I don't know, maybe your nose is...
Maybe it's just a melange of all my lovely smells.
Could well be you.
But-
Maybe it's you.
But actually, Sam was saying that I did actually stink this morning. Awful stink.
You stunk.
I did. I
Oh
know.
dear.
I know. It wasn't very good.
Oh well, never mind.
He said I stunk. And
That's
I
not
had
very
to,
nice thing to say,
I
is
had
it?
to wash my bottom again.
Nana!
I know. That's what he said.
You don't want to say it on the telly though, do you? Don't tell people that.
Well, why not?
My goodness.
So what's been going on in this department?
Well, I was going to ask you the same question. You seem very happy.
I am very happy because I've had a lovely Arbonne, what's it?
Milkshake.
That's the one.
Had a milkshake.
And a milkshake.
Yeah.
And I could do with a bit more.
There's no Corona here because we're eating really healthily, aren't we?
Yeah, we don't eat Corona.
We don't eat Corona.
What's Corona?
Don't even talk about it. We don't mention it.
No, don't mention it.
No.
Say something else about.
Something else. Yeah, it's the word we said we weren't going to say, and I said
Okay.
it. It's my fault.
Well, it's nice weather today.
Isn't it? No, it's not nice weather. It's raining.
It's not. No, it's wrong. It's not. We made a mistake on that one. We've got to actually make a few more clothes, Daisy. My clothes are looking awful. I look like an old drab sheet.
You look a bit like you're in bed.
Well, that's probably because I am.
It looks like we're both in bed,
Yeah.
actually, doesn't it?
We are both in bed. We don't mind, though. We don't mind. And who's with us?
I don't think there's anyone with us. What do you think?
No, there must be somebody with us in bed.
Why?
Well, because you don't have nobody in bed with nobody in bed with you, do you?
I don't know. I do. What are you getting at?
Oh, how is Jack?
Jack is very well. He is playing Xbox and doing his homework.
But is he all right?
Yeah.
Because I don't hear from Jack very much.
Well, we're gonna do some video calling for Jack later, and you and Jack later, so you'll see him later.
Today? Oh, great! That's fantastic.
Exactly.
Oh,
Exactly.
Okay.
So, can we give some insight into what to do on a rainy day, Nana, from you? What would you recommend?
Yep. Rainy day. Well, it's been pissing with rain all day today, so that's not very good. It's been absolutely dribbling down. So what are we going to say about that?
Well, what to do? Give some people some advice. You know, if it's raining outside, what would you advise people to do?
I went up the road.
You go up the road.
Yeah, I went up. I went up the road. It's a good thing to do.
So that's the best advice. No, something to do inside it when it's raining. You don't want to go up on the road in the rain.
Yeah, that's what we did.
Oh, okay.
We went up the road in the rain, and it was lovely, Daisy, and it was warm, and it was fun, and we met lots of people.
You're not supposed to be meeting people, are you? You know, you're going to get some. So I hope you stayed 2 meters apart, though, didn't you?
Oh yes.
There we go. Very good.
Oh, they were definitely. We took the tape measures.
Yeah, that's good.
Don't be ridiculous. We
No,
just went along the road. I mean,
they're going to shut us down. You know that.
I know they are.
They're gonna shut us
What
down.
is happening to this world, Daisy?
I don't know. It's quite quiet.
Where
out
is
there.
everybody?
They're all in. They're all in, waiting for you to give them some advice about what to do on a rainy day.
What a good
She
idea.
hasn't given you any. She said, go out. It's a terrible bit of it. Just the worst advice.
That's all right. That's all right, Daisy. It doesn't matter. We're allowed to go out.
I know. We're
on a
allowed to
rainy
go
day.
out. Anyway, the advice is
Stay in.
stay in.
That's perfect.